Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we have Aero, my turbocharged Prelude, and we are going to be going to DTE, Down to Earth Movement. It's a car show that's happening a little bit later on today, so we're getting her all filled up with gas. We got the homie Day Day over here and the RT Scat Pack right there, and we are going to cruise down. So with no further ado, let's make it happen. Hold on, we just got to do a little walk around a Day Day Scat Pack first real quick, man. The Scooby-Doo Slime Green. Hey, straight up, this thing is exclusive, man. Hey, you know what it is, guys. He does not give a rat's straight up, man. Well guys, should be a nice little cruise. It's a beautiful day, temperatures are great. Let's get to it. And I know some of you guys are probably gonna get on my head, but I still have not fixed my speed sensor yet. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done as soon as possible. Also, I know this is looking really raggedy. I do have this centerpiece, it cracked. I just need to repair it and then put it back on. So don't worry, she's looking a little rusty right now, but she is coming together very well. Out here. Update, guys, after those few pulls, as you guys can see, our temps are still good. Everything across the board is looking real solid. She's holding together very well, guys. Well guys, as you can see, we have Aero out here. We are at the car event, DTE, Down to Earth. It's pretty cool so far, honestly. There's a whole lot of cars around, as you guys can see. We got Day Day here. Pulled up in the Scat. We were cruising on the highway. That's always fun. We also got good old Emery here as well. But yeah, guys, I'd say Aero held up pretty well on the way here. It was super fun ripping her on the highway. Temperatures stayed really well. We really do need to get her on the dyno to get like an exact horsepower number. But when we were cruising next to Day Day, he has a Scat Pack here. He said once I started taking off, there was no way that he could keep up with me. So yeah, I'm very curious. We'll see though. Beautiful little MR2 right here, guys. I still want to get another one. You guys know the story of what happened to mine.
I had my last one for like 2 years. Shit.
Oh, my bad. Oh, shoot.
Nah, you all
hey,
good.
My bad.
Nah, do your thing. Do your thing. You all good. Thanks. But yeah, guys, such a beautiful MR2 with that TRD wide body and that whale tail wing. Ooh. Mark III Super boys. We like it. We like it. This Forester right here is going crazy. Man, this thing is super clean. I don't know if this is, I think that's a wrap, but they did a really good job on that. Super clean. Ran into a couple little turbo Civics here. Actually, both of these guys are the homies. Homie right here is doing well over 600 on his setup. And I think he has well over 600 as well. So yeah, we are not quite there to really be running with these guys, but still super cool guys. They always come out to the Slush Meets as well, and they have very, very nice setups on these cars. Super clean. Like, man, the manifold literally goes down there. Like, what? Dang, we are inside of this exclusively. This shit is crazy.
This shit's tight up.
Hey, so tight though. What is this?
Hey, this shit's from China, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That is crazy. I like it though. I feel like we're cheating right now.
Yeah, we're cheating, bro. Chill a bit through traffic.
Hey, straight up.
We all good though.
We all good though. I like it.
Pick up a little bit too.
Okay, okay. There we go. Straight up. We pull back up on him. Well, I enjoyed the ride. Thanks for the ride, homie. So that thing is crazy.
I'm
I want one.
off too.
Right. Super clean R32 right here, guys. Man, this thing is baller. Like, what? Crazy. Guys, this Nissan Z is crazy. It is full carbon fiber, as you guys can see. This thing is clean. I really can't even imagine how much something like this would cost to do. It gives me a headache thinking about it, but he did a phenomenal job on this thing. I mean, wow.
Nice. All right, we got $100 prize money, 2 hoodies from Motion Auto TV, and a shirt from John Derek in any size. This is gonna figure out our winner.
Let's get one more round of applause for these guys.
All right, guys, hold up. Let's make some noise. What do you think? You gonna make it? All right, send them through.
Lower that knee, arms down.
Hey.
We're down to the wire.
We got the ruckus. Clean
All right, guys, you gonna
ruckus.
make it? Take these ducks low enough. Let's see it. He's running smart. Hey, guys, that's a lot of people. What do we think? Lower than the Miata? Let's see! I'll go one more round. Let's see! I can see 9 people on that Miata.
9.
What do we think?
What do you think, guys? Gonna make it through? That's not a lot of confidence. Get him through.
Let's go! Let's hear it, come on!
Let's see!
Hey, Ray Mysterio coming through the ropes.
Here we go, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
He's not gonna make it.
Let's go!
He said, get on the car.
Hey, nah, get the camera now.
Let's go! Make some noise! Make some noise!
Let's get it through.
That's it! Get him through!
Y'all better lay down. Put your hands lower.
Come up!
Oh!
What do we do?
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
More people!
The Stuart Little
Hey, hold
mobile.
up, hey.
I'm like, bro, get off my car. Get off. Get off. Well guys, I'm gonna call it there. It's been an awesome day cruising in the Prelude. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this event. I mean, so many cool cars here and all types of things. But if you guys watched all the way through the video, I really appreciate it. You guys know I'm just trying to build the channel one good video at a time. Stay tuned for the next video. We're definitely gonna be getting some more stuff done with Arrow, kind of seeing what she could do, yeah, and seeing how she holds up. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.